fine. They don't like it.
Oh my god, here's the quiet ones. We need to be quiet together. Gabriel, you're here.
Oh, in the north. Stop it, you fat poo. I'll find this on my YouTube channel.
Smash your phone.
Gabriel, stop. That's my friend.
No!
You mean Storm?
No, stop.
He took pooch.
Jimmy.
He took
Hey, stop, Jimmy.
Nah, Chloe, you're chopped. You chopped, brother.
Oh my god, Rory, I love this. I just saw
I'm recording that dancing.
got my hair on the sun. Get a big one. Get a massive one.
We need a big one, bro.
When are the big ones gonna come? Bro, carry on looking at them.
Yes.
I got my head out
Do you
the
think you
sun.
can hold it? My dog's gonna play. Oh, you're really good at recording. Oh my!
Oh no, this part's so scary
Just
after.
needed to play so
Bro,
cool.
do you want to swap?
It's gold as well.
Bro, you want to swap trait? Okay, so I get the sparkly gold. I'm not going to keep it.
Nah.
Just for a little, I just want to squish it. Can you try and get on this thing?
Oh, stop down now.
That was actually the craziest one. It was just like, no, hello.
Nah, the pin is too disgusting.
It's like this. Bye, guys.
I like the noise.
I'm trying to get on here.
I like the noise. Want to sit on here? Right.
Yeah. Wait up.
Okay.
Now we're getting more space to record. It's been 3 minutes and I think there's going to be a video.
Or
Going to be a video.
maybe a live if it's possible.
Nah.
Nah.
Even if I've got 50 subscribers, I need to be in for 4
You need
years.
100. You need 100.
For live.
Yeah.
I've done a live before, but no one could see. Well, slipping
I
off the
did
board.
live, but we had to waste it. I did live, but we had to
Whoa.
waste it because we actually said what our school name was, our old school name. Yeah! And sorry, that's me after Kroger.
Then I started.
That's my poop after Taco. That's the big dog poop after Taco Bell.
Now it's going to be good content for my YouTube channel. But they're going to love this. I bet they're just going to keep coming back. Skishy, skishy. Woo. How much views do you think it's going to get?
Like 100.
I hope it
No,
does.
like K's.
I hope
I
it gets
bet
a billion.
I hope you get 100.
Did you know you can get a billion?
Yeah, you can get a billion. I've seen someone with a trillion, but then they lost it all in a day because they.
Today, yeah, I've done a video and I got 100
Look at
views.
this. What if
Sorbupa.
if they did die out, they will be hitting us.
What? If they were... Oh my god! My legs are getting the feel of it.
Bro, are you okay? Is your hearing aid hurting?
Nah.
My leg.
Pa. They're gonna go Sorbupa. Sorbupa. I said Sorbupa at a good time. Papa, papa.
This is serious.
It's not that serious.
Can I push it?
steal.
I won't. I don't steal anyway.
I bet there's gonna be like 10 minutes.
I bet this is probably gonna be good.
Hi guys.
I bet. This feels so soft. Hey, wait, look at this. Melting. Like, guess what? At home, it's squishy. That when you kick it, it acts like it's solid, but when you squish it, it's like a liquid like this. That hurts like yours does, but then it melts like a liquid.
Imagine you put it in the microwave.
What?
Guess what? You know the Tornado?
Yeah.
If you put it in the freezer for an hour, yeah,
Yeah.
it will freeze and you cannot squish it. You're gonna have to put it back in the... Jesus Christ.